Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to find best selling products on Etsy. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to create your Etsy account and then log into your account. Now that you've done that, let's go ahead and use the Everbee extension to find the best products. So all you have to do is to go to everbee.io, and of course, you can use this extension for free. So to add this extension to your web browser, all you have to do is to go back to Etsy and then try to click on the three dots right here. Okay, so let's go back to Etsy now that we have created our account, and then click on the three dots right here. Okay, and then click on the extensions, and then click on manage extensions. That's right. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you can see this Chrome Web Store, and then click on this one. And then here, use the search bar to search for the Everbee extension. So here it is. You just have to click on it, and then you'll be able to see this option right here. So just click on Get, and then click on Add Extension. Okay, so you just have to wait till the download is complete, and then you'd be redirected to this page where you can see that your Etsy page will look like this. Okay, so earlier we don't have these options right here, so let's go back to this tab and then refresh this one. And as you can see, we have now the Everbee extension connected to our Etsy account. Okay, now let's close the other tab since we already get the Everbee extension. Now to search for a specific products, we can do product analytics. So we just use the search bar at the top. And then you can just search for products that you want to see the analytics. Okay, so for example, pet, when you do that, you'd be able to see here the monthly searches. It is because we have the Everbee extension. Okay, so let's click one of this and then be able to see the products right here. Now to see the analytics of these products, just click on this one. Okay, just click on the products analytics. Okay, and then you'd be able to see the analytics of the products that you have searched. So now let's try to explore the products right here. So we can see that the search entire database is about 49 million and plus listings. So let's go to the product name, the shop name, and then the average search for this product. So let's go back to product analytics. So now we have the price, the monthly sales, the monthly revenue. So as you can see, the price is listed not in order. So here in the monthly sales, we cannot see the number of the sales, but using the reviews, the listing age, and reviews in other options, we'd be able to determine if the product is selling well. Okay, so let's start with the reviews. As you can see, the more reviews, it means that the product is selling well because it has a lot of review compared to the other products. Now, to list the product in order, all you have to do is to click on the arrow button facing downward beside the review option. Okay, this one right here, and as you can see, it is listed in order from least to greatest, and if you are going to click on it again, it will be listed from greatest to lowest. Okay, and here you can see the listing age, the favorites, the average reviews, the views. So you just have to explore these options right here because it will be your basis to determine what product is selling the best. Okay, so for example, let's go to the views. We have about 2 million views about for this product. And for the listing age, we want to see a specific listing age of the product. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on the filters. Okay, it is above the reviews. And here you can type out the shop age, the average reviews. Okay, now click on the shop age, and then you have to type out right here the number of the months that you want to see. So I have input 3 months, so I'd be able to see the 1 month, 3 months, and 2 months products. So when you click on that product, you'd be able to see the listing details of that products. So in that way, it will help you a lot to determine what products is selling best on Etsy. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.